best penny stocks to buy on April 17th, 2026. Number one recommendation is Energy Focus, stock symbol EFOI. It is up today 236%, or $4.99, trading at $7.07. Since this morning, it already traded 109 million shares. Market cap of the company is $47 million. So this company is from electrical products sector. Kind of rare sector to produce daily winners, but it is what it is. So what can I tell you? I mean, it was basically unknown stock. It was like nobody was trading it. It was basically hovering around $2 for the last 6 months. Nothing was happening. But then I guess they released some kind of news, and now this is one of the hottest stocks in the market. You know, pretty much tripling in price, you know, because it started the day at $2, so $2.50, and now it's already at $7. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, check what's going on there, but be careful. You will be buying at a 6-month high because it's trading at a record high. So before you do this, do your due diligence. So next one is Direct Booking Technology, stock symbol ZDAI. It is up today 110%, or $4.19, trading at $7.97. Since this morning, it already traded only 768,000 shares, less than a million. That's kind of suspicious. Market cap of the company is $64 million. But the company is from a trucking sector, which is, again, a kind of rare sector to produce daily winners. So I don't know what's going on there, but you know, usually when you see a stock doubling in price, a lot of people are kind of like, I mean, in order for stock to be pushed, you know, basically to double in one day, you need like a bunch of buyers creating all this, you know, requests, creating basically a deficit of shares. But we don't see it here. Here it's like maybe it's a reversed split when basically 2 shares became 1 share, and that's why, you know, it's like went. But you have to take a look and see what's going on there. Thank you. Next one is YXT.com Group Holding Limited. And this is an ADR. This is a foreign company, okay? Stock symbol YXT. It is up today 51%, or 19 cents, trading at 55 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 108 million shares. Market cap of the company is $35 million. So this company is from packaged software sector. And I keep telling you guys that these companies are booming right now, you know, because, you know, they replace the developers with AI coding agents, basically robots that could program but understand like human language. And, you know, suddenly their products start to be developed much faster. They add more features, and they clean all the bugs, so the software doesn't glitch. So take a look. I mean, this is one of those probably companies. You have to check the news because guess what? 6 months ago, it used to trade at $1, but then it collapsed all the way like 20 cents. So, I mean, there's a reason why it jumped. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there. Because if you pull the trigger at 55 cents right now and buy it, and this thing goes back to, let's say, $1.10, I mean, you exactly will double your money and basically, you know, have a gain of 100%. So take a look. Could be an interesting opportunity. Next one is U Power Limited, stock symbol UCA. It is up today 41%, or 48 cents, trading at $1.64. Since this morning, it already traded 49 million shares. Market cap for the company is only $4 million. this company is from motor vehicles sector. So actually this company was on my list already several times in a row because it produces some pretty crazy jumps, like today 43%. However, the thing with this company is that it goes up and then it goes down. But guess what? 6 months ago, it used to trade at $24 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like 50 cents. So it's basically trying to get out from that penny stock status. And it looks like it's working little by little because they keep jumping, let's say, above $1. So now it's trading at $1.66. So I think it's time for you to take a look and see what's going on there, because the stock is being very active, producing very nice spikes. And if you think that this spike is for real, or this news that are driving the jump is substantial enough to guarantee more or less that the company's revenue is going to go up or their profit is going to go up, then maybe it's worth to put some money into it. Because if you buy $1.66 and this thing goes back to $24 where it used to trade like 6 months ago, then you could make a very nice return of like 15 times, I think. Yeah, because $1.65 multiplied by 15, I think it's close to $24. So it could be a lottery, like winning a lottery. So next one is Blaze Holdings, stock symbol BZAI. It is up today 35% or 61 cents, trading at $2.35. Since this morning, it already traded 47 million shares. Market cap of the company is $286 million. So this company is from semiconductors sector. So it's an interesting, actually thing that you have a penny stock that's like $2 and it is a semiconductor. Usually these companies have like very powerful, very large market cap. It's a very capital intensive business to design those chips. But from time to time you get these stocks that are like penny stocks that are sitting in a hot industry. And by the way, if you look at the stock symbol, it's called BZAI. It's like companies trying to communicate to you that they are also an artificial intelligence player, because they specifically put this AI inside of its stock symbol. So it could be an interesting investment opportunity. And the thing is that this thing is actually building very strong bullish trend in the last, I would say, a couple of weeks. So if you decide to pull the trigger at $2.38 and this thing goes back to, let's say, where it used to trade 6 months ago, which is $4.80, you could double your money. But I like that stock. I like the industry, semiconductors. I like that it's cheap. I like that I'm buying it at a 6-month low, so almost 6-month low. So I think it could be an interesting opportunity. So take a look. Next one is Bragg House Holdings, stock symbol TBH. It is up today 30% or 18 cents, trading at 79 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 2 million shares. Market cap for the company is $20 million. So this company is from internet software and services sector. So what can I tell you? The stock used to trade at $1.20 6 months ago. Then it collapsed all the way to like 10 cents. However, in the last, I would say, a month, it was actually building a very bullish trend little by little. And today it had a major push of 29%. So, but in the last 6 months, it went, in the last 1 month, it went from like 20 cents to 80 cents right now. It quadrupled in 1 month, 400% gain. And I think, I'm not sure if I talked about this company, but they're definitely building a very bullish trend. And the good thing is, if you decide to pull the trigger right now at 79 cents and this thing goes back to $1.20 where it used to trade, you could be making around 60% return on this investment. So take a look. Thank you for your time and good luck trading, and take my app.